Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to come on here today and show you what a typical day looks like for me. So the first client I have today is getting a facial. So I just start by making the bed and making sure everything is ready for her. Because she's also getting a Brazilian, I make sure to already have my wax supplies set so that her service is flawless and smooth. Because I have 3 facial services today, I make sure to make enough towels so that I don't run out. You don't want to do that, guys. That would be embarrassing. For my esthetician sisters out there, if you don't have a steamer, girl, you better get you one. This is the client's favorite part. So I usually start by cleansing for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows me to wake the skin up and get any dirt or debris off.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing
After
fake
you
to me
remove the
now.
cleanser,
I wanna
you want to
wake up
exfoliate.
with you in
This
the
helps to get
morning.
rid of any
Say
dead
what you
skin
wanna
cells and
say
give
to
you
me
that
now.
nice, healthy
I
glow.
wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
The mask that I choose to use today is by SkinScript RX. It's called the Seaweed mask, which is really good for hydration purposes, healing the skin, and also moisturization.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone.
After I've completely removed the mask, I go on with my moisturizer. This just reinforces everything that we did for her skin today and locks in all that moisture. Don't be stingy, guys. Don't be stingy. It's winter, okay?
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Now this is completely optional, but I always go in and give my clients some eye serum. Nobody wants no dark circles under their eye.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember.
Last but not least, the lip serum. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.
I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.